morning to respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have come here to celebrate 77th Independence Day, remarking 76 years of freedom. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It's an honor for me to address you all. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from Britishers. On this day, India became a free nation. I'd like to speak on National Flag of India. India is our motherland and our national flag holds great importance for each and every Indian. Our national flag is the symbol of inspiration and courage for us, and it reminds us the sacrifices done by many brave freedom fighters to make the country free. We should remember their courage and fight. First Prime Minister of India, Chacha Nehru, raised the Indian national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. He also gave his famous speech the day it was called Tryst of Destiny. Some people judge even freedom fighters on the basis of their religion. Many people believe that the Muslims did contribute to India's independence from British rule. To break the minds of these people, I am going to list some Indian Muslims who sacrificed for their country's freedom. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, one of the greatest freedom fighters of India, he first took part in India's independence when he was 16. After this, he started Quit India movement. He was the first education minister of India. Dr. Zakir Hussain, Bharat Ratna awardee and the third president of India. He was the follower of Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent policies. He focused on empowering the education system and fight against British. Maulana Mazhar-e Haq, he became vice chairman of Bihar Congress Committee and started taking part in the struggle movement. He played a major role in making the non-corporation and struggle movement. He donated every single bit of his property in encouraging education. Not only these are just few examples, but actually there are many more brave souls who fought for their nation while being active followers of Islam. Some other examples are Abbas Sayyid Muhammad Sharifuddin Qadri, Maghfur Ahmad Ajazi. We are so lucky that our land fathers have given us a land of peace and happy. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy largest democracy in the world. So my dear friends, as being responsible citizens of the country, we should always be ready to handle any emergency condition in our country. Once again, I wish a very happy Independence Day to all of you.